Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Try Techies. I'm Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you change your username in your Instagram app. Alright, so let's roll on now. So first of all, what you need to do, please make sure that you should have the current Instagram application. Your Instagram app should be properly updated as per the 2023. So let's start now. So first of all, you need to do is open your Instagram app, go to your profile page, tap on the edit profile option, which is right there below your display picture. So what you need to do is tap on the username option. Once you have selected this option, now you can delete your old username and you can put up a new username, that whichever name that you would like to put over here. So let me change my username for this, just for a demonstration for you. Let me put it Trio Techies. Let me put this name for you. All right. But guys, make sure that once you are changing your username, it will be updated for the next 14 days at least. That means in the next 14 days, you won't be able to change your name. So be careful while changing your name. Because sometimes it happens, people, they just in a fun or just as a joke, they put up some stupid name, some stupid username on their profiles, and later on they regret. So if you're putting up the wrong name over here, then I'm sorry, for another 14 days you have to regret. So please make sure you're putting up the right thing. And once your username is selected, again you need to press on the right click, just tap on the right button, and see, the name has been changed. You can see over here my name that is just above of my display picture. From that's ANJ, now it has been turned to Trio Techies. If this video was really helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. And if you want us to make any other video on any other social media platform, if you're facing any kind of technical issue, just let us know that. I really appreciate if you can like this video and follow our channel, press the bell notification and get all latest updates from us. All right. So guys, wish you a very good luck and have a nice day. Goodbye.